Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the development shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Jamaica's public finances remain broadly sustainable, but key risks from Hurricane Melissa are still to be fully accounted for. Fiscal Commissioner Courtney Williams said that while the government projects a return to a declining debt to GDP path next fiscal year, the target of reducing debt to 60% of GDP by the 2029-2030 fiscal year is unlikely to be met based on current information. The commissioner said projections are preliminary and were prepared without a detailed damage and loss assessment from Hurricane Melissa or full operational plans from the National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority. He also raised concerns about optimistic growth projections, an ambitious capital budget, and uncertainty surrounding wage settlements. The fiscal commissioner said until detailed reconstruction plans and updated damage assessments were completed, he cannot confirm that the government's current fiscal path will achieve its 60% debt target within the proposed timeline. Motorists should brace for higher fuel costs at the pumps starting Thursday, March 5. The latest ex-refinery prices from PetroJam show increases across gasoline, diesel, and petroleum products. The price of 90-octane gasoline will rise by $4.50 to $161.81 per liter, while 87-octane goes up $3.06 to $154.38 per liter. Diesel fuel also sees a boost, with automotive diesel now at $166.75 per liter, and ultra-low sulfur diesel climbing to $173.59 per liter, an increase of $4.50. Other petroleum products are also affected. Kerosene rises by $4.50 to $156.15 per liter. Propane liquid petroleum increases by $1.63 to $70.93 per liter, and butane liquid petroleum goes up by $3.06 to $80.15 per liter. Retailers and marketing companies will apply their own markups on top of these price increases, meaning that consumers are likely to feel the full impact at service stations across the island. For the trading period of March 4, 2026, the most actively traded securities on the Jamaica Stock Exchange were Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 5,559,386 units, representing 29.65% of market sales activities. Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company with 4,242,126 units, representing 22.62% of market sales activity. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited shares with 2,396,815 units, representing 12.78% of market sales activity. Investor activity on the Jamaica Stock Exchange remained concentrated in transportation, media, and construction plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market, based on Bank of Jamaica data for March 4, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. The US dollar saw trading margins reflected steadily, for the US selling at $157.32 and buying at $155.69. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $3.79 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $111.77 and was bought for $115.56. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $5.36 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $205.62 and was bought for $210.98. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, a credit report makes differences between couples visible without turning the conversation into financial blame. For example, high credit card balances may reflect lifestyle spending habits, or limited credit use may show a fear of debt or risk. Multiple business or financing accounts may show that one party in the couple has entrepreneurial thinking. So instead of each person in the partnership trying to change each other, the goal is to use your credit report to design a system that works for both personalities. Some practical strategies include: define what the joint financial goals are. Is it home ownership, business expansion, or investments? You could create an agreed limit on discretionary spending. Alternatively, you could separate personal spending accounts from the strategic goal-oriented financial accounts. As a couple, you could do quarterly financial check-ins similar to a business review. Couples who treat their finances like a partnership rather than a power struggle tend to build wealth more effectively over time. Now, in our funded and focused feature, when you are considering which AI tool to bring into your business to improve the funding in your business, many small business owners struggle with tracking finances, and AI can simplify this. AI tools can track expenses automatically, organize transactions, show where your money is going, forecast future income, alert you if cash flow is getting tight. Think of AI and the monthly subscription you pay for AI as a smart financial dashboard for your business. This helps business owners make smarter decisions faster. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.